You know, trend jacking is real out here. So, as a YouTuber, should you jump on a trend or not? I like to think the answer is in two folds. Yes and no. I'm going to explain each of these. You're much welcome to my channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. I'd say yes in case you're very desperate for you to meet some minimum qualifications which you require to do. For example, for you to maybe garner 1,000 subscribers and maybe meet the 4,000 watch hours which is required for you to be able to join the YouTube partnership program. Because through jumping on a trend, most likely going to be able to catch up some of the traffic, and if you're offering awesome quality videos beyond the competition out there, people are going to send positive signals to YouTube and it's going to keep suggesting your video to more and more people out there. But is this sustainable in the long term? I don't think so, unless the trend you jump on is within your niche. That's where I go with a no answer. In that, in case you have a specific niche which you're targeting to build a YouTube career over for a long time, I don't think it's sound for you to jump on any trend that's thrown or any trend that you see out there. Unless it is something very relevant to your niche, don't jump on it. Because in case you jump on it, it's going to send kind of like a false positive to YouTube, in that you're going to get some people watching your channel real quick, but also dropping off faster than before they watch another video, because the video you're going to have made is going to be irrelevant to the other videos you have on a platform. So in case you're an established YouTuber out here, just try your best to ensure you jump on a trend that's relevant to your niche. Whether you're talking about you jumping on relevant keywords which are trending, for example, assuming you're a finance YouTuber out there, for example, words like crypto, for example, words like stock and so forth, or even making content around a famous personality in a specific niche, that might work for you. But don't just jump on any trend out there because it's hot. In case you knew it could work for you, but in case you're established, most likely it's going to work against you. What do you think about it? Do you think trend jacking is a good thing? Would you jump on a trend? Have you done it before? Share with us in the comment section below. Let's continue engaging there. Cheers, guys. Look for sharing with you other awesome videos next time.